Hey everybody, it's John Morris with Operations RX. Thanks for joining online today to view a demo of CloudAnalytics. Before we get started, I'd like to give you a brief introduction to our company. Now, Operations RX was founded in 2001 by our rock star president and CEO, Kevin Bernardini. We are an end-to-end operations and supply chain firm that focuses on profit improvement and liquidity. As you can see by our tagline, we are aware of the complexity that can be added to your supply chain at a moment's notice, especially in today's world. We are dedicated to implementing the simplest, most realistic solution in your company while driving those tremendous bottom line improvements. Now, there are a lot of large firms out there that will offer you everything. But because we're directly focused, we can give you a boutique experience that you, our future client, really deserve. You see, your business is super important to us, and we will always give you the attention that you deserve. With us, though, it's not just about a project. We also look forward to creating friendships that will last a lifetime. And this happens to be one of our core values at Operations RX. Now, we are not the finance experts, but we definitely drive the benefits that your leadership team is going to love. We are, though, the operations and supply chain experts. And while you're viewing our demo of the supply chain software today, it's important that you remember we are not just a group of programmers that have built a software package, but we are a company made up of senior supply chain, operation, and logistics professionals, many of which have held senior level executive positions and managed plants. And this is the experience that we're going to bring to the table every day for your company. Now, there are many other software packages out there. The difference between the other software packages and CloudAnalytics is that our tools have been designed by people that have been in the supply chain business for years. They have worked with many ERP systems, and they have seen the good and bad that come with most. These tools are not just shiny rocks and with nice-to-have functionality, but they drive very specific analysis, and in our opinion, are crucial to running an efficient supply chain in the real world. The other difference that you get with CloudAnalytics and Operations RX is that we are not just going to offer you a software package, but we are going to come in and we are going to analyze your business. We're going to find out how it runs. We're going to find out the correct solution that fits, and we're going to implement that solution. You see, with us, there's no square peg, round hole experience when it comes to software. We will custom design a solution that is just right for your business. While we're doing this, we will also be looking for ways to become self-funding for the project, such as reducing inventory, improving throughput through your operations, increasing order fill, reducing shortages, and many other profit improvements. Now, these improvements will be included as a part of the SOW and will definitely be achieved by our team. Our typical standard ROI is typically 10x. So as you can see, we don't just tell you what you need to do, but we will do it with you. Make sure that it is working, and then train to hand off the accountability to your team. Operations RX has been working with companies within the manufacturing and distribution sector for years. Throughout this time, we have gained valuable experience and knowledge from industry-leading professionals, advisors, and engineers, both internal and external to our company. These resources have helped us develop a sophisticated tool set to complement our consulting services. Growing with each implementation, CloudAnalytics offers a highly customizable platform that has helped dozens of manufacturing and distribution companies with regards to planning, execution, inventory management, and reporting. Now, CloudAnalytics is a web-based platform that connects directly with any ERP system. These would include SAP, Oracle, and JD Edwards. Now, our motto is, we design for simplicity, but we customize for complexity. What does that mean? Well, out of the box, we provide a set of tools that support supply chain, operations, and distribution in both their daily and strategic objectives. But during a consulting initiative, we'll tailor the system to your business-specific needs and provide customized tools that reinforce the business processes we help implement. Now, most clients prefer also to take advantage of our hosted offering, which includes scaling backups, disaster recovery, maintenance support, also free updates. We also have a on-premise solution if your IT department prefers to handle things in-house. We will be reviewing a group of modules within Cloud Analytics that are the primary core modules that are offered in about 90% of the implementations that we do. The first one is, and first and foremost, really is the lean planning. And that's our version of a pull system that helps you minimize inventory investment while maximizing fill rates. In most cases, we are reducing inventory while fill rates are improving. We typically will split this up into three parts during the implementation. Phase one, future state design. Phase two is the implementation phase and go live. And then phase three is post go live sustainment. Shop floor execution is primarily geared towards manufacturing companies. The functionality within Cloud Analytics allows the planning team to create priorities and track progress throughout the operations process. MRP stands for Materials Requirements Planning. If you don't know, that's basically our execution engine. In most cases, we push to use the MRP engine within the ERP. We're generally a purist as far as the MRP engine. Most larger ERP systems have similar logic and functionality, so we like to push the execution within the ERP or system of record. That's just the easiest, most simplistic way to do it. Now, there are some cases where it doesn't make sense to do that based on limited functionality within the ERP system. We have a fully developed SIOP process within Cloud Analytics. We won't be reviewing that process in this demo, but if you would like more information on that, please contact us. We generally deploy a SIOP Lite. SIOP stands for Sales, Inventory, and Operations Planning, but we generally deploy a light version to help with the ease of adjustments to anticipated demand or forecasted information within Cloud Analytics. Ad hoc reporting is something that we believe is very, very important to maintaining system integrity post go live, and we'll be reviewing that as well today. As far as rationalization, you may have heard it said as product rationalization. We generally build that into the ABC classifications within the system, which we will review in just a little bit. And we can build upon that, any type of tool that's necessary or logic around product rationalization implementation if need be. So that just about covers Operations RX and Cloud Analytics at a very high level. If you have any further questions that's not covered in any of the demos here, you can go to our website, operationsrx.com, and go to Contact Us and just fill out the information, and we'll get back to you shortly on that. You can also look at some of our blog posts that we may have on the page. Some of those really neat. We have some additional service offerings that you will be able to see on our website, as well as case studies that you can go through and look and see what our typical ROI has been, what our implementation costs were, as well as view our team with some bio information down here. So all that being said, let's go ahead and jump to the landing page inside of Cloud Analytics.